Hey, this is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden. It is February 14th, Valentine's Day, and I'm down here in the skincare kitchen, whipping it up, y'all. I am making my hibiscus and elderberry elderflower soap. It's this one here. I'm recreating it. One that looks like cake or ice cream. And of course I've got the blue here, the magenta and the white. I'm going to add the hibiscus, the elderflower, and the elderberry. And I'm going to scent it with mango, pomegranate, and hibiscus scent. So look for it soon at Third Day Soaps Garden. Have a good day. Hello, everybody. Hello. This is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden. It is January 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. And yesterday I made some hibiscus and elderberry, elderflower, handmade coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and coca camide soap bars. With these new little molds I bought. I decided last year that I was going to use specific molds for specific soaps because I make over 80 different types of soaps. 30 of them which are standards that I have all the time. I have to keep stock. The others are like creative like these, but these are easily and fastly becoming a standard soap of mine. So I did some of these little mold things here I got off of Amazon. I think I got 3 packs of these for like $10.99. And they're an inch high and 2.5, almost 3 inches wide, an inch high, okay? Then I did the little mold here. It's small. These are very small. I never make molds so small. But this is the, it's similar to the picture that I showed you yesterday. Let me see if I can get the picture real quick. It's way over here. I'm not going to worry about it. But let me get some of this mess off the way here. So we're going to cut this one. I'm just going to cut this one. I usually use a cutter, but this is so small. I'm just going to cut a small piece. Cut it small. See how it looks inside. Oh, these are pretty. I'll show you what they look like in a minute. These soaps are all going into the hibiscus and elderflower, elderberry spa kits for the spring. So that's one reason they're a little smaller, because they also come with a bath bomb, a hibiscus and elderberry body butter, a hibiscus and body butter, body scrub. So there's 4 items. I have to clean these up, of course, around the ends. They came out kind of pretty. That's one side. That's the hibiscus, elderflower. It's scented with mango pomegranate. Those came out really, 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 really cute. After some cleanup, they'll be the bomb. That's my little end piece there I used to keep for myself, or I gifted to someone. They came out really pretty. Look at that. Look at the colors in that. If you see the video yesterday, you'll see that these are similar, the same similar colors. Of course, the swirls are a little bit different. This is our hibiscus and elderflower, elderberry handmade soap. Okay. I'll clean those up and they'll look real pretty. I'll show y'all how they look in the ad. Let's move these over here. A little friendly fire piece. And let's take out the molds. Oh, look at those. Aren't those cute? And you can see the elderberries and elderflowers in it. Always knocking something over. Try not to make this video too long. See the elderflowers and elderberry? Okay. They're cute little soaps. Very cute. The colors are the same in these as they are in the other one. They're very small. You probably weigh, let me weigh one of them for you. One day I'm going to have everything right in order. Add what your weight on this is. Little molds are cute. One thing about molds, you can take them out at any time. When you're slicing them, they've got to come out at the right time. Because sometimes I don't get too hard if I wait too many days. Okay, let's weigh this. Get it on 0. The average weighs 2.9. 2.9, 2.8, 2.9. So the average size is 2.9 in the weight for the ones that came out of the silicone mold. And that was that one mold. I can be a little heavy-handed sometimes, so this one might even be heavier. Yep, 3.1. So they came out very, very nice. I'll go back and I'll do the video and I'll have them all together. Like I said, these are not sold separately. These are sold. This particular soap is sold with, I think it's a sugar scrub. I have to go back upstairs and look. I don't want to quote you. Now this is really little. I'll keep that. These bars over here seem to be even bigger. Look at that. Yeah, they're fatter. Now all my soaps are handcrafted. I don't go buy a base, melt it up, and then put stuff on it. I don't believe in... I like to know exactly what's in my products. I don't like to just buy stuff and it tells you on there it's made out of this, it's made out of that, and it's not made out of any of that. So, especially when you're mass producing and everybody's trying to go into the skincare industry, the marketers have a really good way of showing you that, here's a bigger bar. Isn't that cute? Look how pretty that is. Nice and majestic, small. This one's pretty heavy. Yeah, now see, this one's 3.5. Okay. But these are hibiscus, elderflower, handmade soap bars with avocado, coconut oil, and olive oil. And there's even some sunflower oil in. The reason what I like about safflower oil is that it makes the bar and the soaps really, really smooth and nourishing. So come back and check us out again and watch us make our soaps again. This is Cynthia Hill from Third Day Soaps Garden. And remember, if your skin's not beautiful, you're not using Third Day Soaps Garden. Have a really good day. Bye-bye.